These videos are completely AI generated, but the crazy part is, I didn't spend a single dollar to create them. No expensive tools, no subscriptions, nothing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create ultra-realistic AI influencers for free step by step. And make sure you stay until the end because I have a surprise for you that you definitely don't want to miss. So let's get started. First, go to this website called Appo AI and create a free account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on this page, and in the top right corner, you'll see that you have 80 free credits available. With these, you can generate around 2 images per day, and the credits reset daily, so you can keep creating consistently without paying anything. Now go to Train a New Model, and here you have 2 options. You can either upload an image of your model or generate one using the AI generator. I personally recommend the first option because it gives you much more realistic results. So go to Pinterest and search for something like girl selfie. Once you find a person that fits the style you're going for, download the image and upload it into Appo. Then just give your model a name and save it. After that, you can start generating different images of your influencer. You can either use the prompt section or adjust the settings below to control things like style, lighting, and pose. Now, I want to create a lifestyle image of her standing in an airport, so I type a simple prompt like this. She is standing in an airport terminal, wearing headphones and a comfy oversized sweater. She has a stylish bag over her shoulder. Natural, candid pose, looking relaxed and confident. Soft, natural lighting, modern airport background, slightly blurred people in the background, photorealistic, smartphone photo style, authentic lifestyle moment. Before generating, make sure to set the image quantity to 1, the aspect ratio to 9:16, and the quality to Ultra 2K, then click Generate. And after a few seconds, we have an ultra-realistic Instagram-ready picture of her. But of course, we don't just want static images. We want to bring our influencer to life. For that, go to Higgsfield AI and create a free account. Once you're inside, go to the top menu, click on Video, and then select Motion Control. Now go to TikTok and search for something like Influencer TikTok Dance and choose a video you like. Make sure there is only one person in the video and that the movements are not too fast or chaotic, because that can lead to worse results. Once you've found a good clip, download it using a TikTok downloader and upload it into the motion section. Once you click Generate, your AI influencer will copy the exact movements from that video. Here's my result. If you also want to learn how to actually make money with your AI influencer, I've got a surprise for you. I created a free ebook where I break down the biggest mistakes beginners make when starting with AI influencers and how I'm making over $10,000 per month with this strategy. Just click the link in the description. It's completely free. I also want to mention that for my own AI influencers and for most successful creators, I don't use just free tools. The reason is simple. They often don't provide enough quality, and the credits are usually too limited to post consistently, especially when it comes to videos. That's why I personally like to use tools like OpenArt. It combines ultra-realistic image models like Nano Banana Pro with powerful video features and even things like lip sync, all in one place, and for plans that already start at $7 per month, which is insane. So if you're serious about this and want to scale faster, I definitely recommend checking it out. I've put a special discount link in the description below. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more AI strategies like this. See you in the next one.